Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to record the screen in your iPhone. Right now my iPhone is on and what I can do is I can just swipe down for opening the control center, and in this control center you can see this red colored dot which is recording the screen. So if this option is here available, then what you can do is you can tap on that option and the screen recording will be started. If this option is not available, so in that case what you can do is you can go to your settings, and in the settings you can scroll down to the option called as control center, which is below the general settings, and in this you have this option included controls. So right now you can see the screen recording is already included, that's why you can see the screen recording in the control center. If the option wasn't available, so what you can do is you can scroll down and select the screen recording option from the available. So for example, let's say instead of screen recording I want to add a camera, so I can just tap on this plus sign and the camera will be added. And if you check the control center, you can see the camera is now visible. So in this way you can add the screen recording option in the control center and you can start recording. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you.